I'm going to make just a single crochet and going to fill that whole circle. So I have completed the circle and going to end it. And make just a slip stitch like this one. Now I am going to use a second yarn one and two, move into third one and make a double crochet. Again in the same stitch I am going to make 3 double crochet. This one is second and this one is third. Again in the same stitch I am going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and this one is 3. You can see. Then make just a slip stitch. 1 and 2, move into next one. Again I am going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and this one is 3. Again chain 1 and again 3 more double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Again making a slip stitch. As you can see, I have completed the flower, so I am going to at this point make a slip stitch, leaving a 1 stitch, and makes chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, 14 and 15. In the same at that point I am going to cut it. So I attached the butterfly and I had made many more. So as you can look, minimum size. Hope this will be helpful for you. So stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.